Hi, I'm Becky from Indigo Chinese Medicine, and I'm about to show you how to make our herbal postpartum soup. In a large soup pot, add a whole organic chicken cut up, 3 stalks of celery chopped, 2 organic carrots chopped, a large knob of ginger, handful of spring onions, a brown onion, and you can leave the skin on, and a handful of parsley. Add enough water to cover and then some. Bring to the boil and simmer for at least 2 hours. The longer you simmer it, the more richer the flavour. Divide the liquid into individual portions and freeze, ready for use after the birth.